들어라 얘들아.
Is going to be a separate service from the fishing guys. We are not paid for any of this, but we also don't charge for it. What that means is, what's what? Now you're doing it. Yep. Hey man, hey. Whoa, whoa, 48.
757. 27.
Can we share the fish? 바닷물 진짜 짜다.
먹어봤어?
되게 따가워.